नमस्कार. इन फोकसाच्या आयच्या एपिसोडात तुमकां सगळ्यांक माये मोगाचो येवकार. आयज इन फोकसाच्या एपिसोडात आमचो फोकस आसा जल्ल्यांचेर. इट्स ऑन कॉक्रोचीस. आनी हे सादे सुदे कॉक्रोचीस किंवा जल्ले न्ही, हे अशे जल्ले जे सामान्य मनशाक तिडक हाडनात, सामान्य मनशाक तांचो वीट दिसना, पूण हे अख्ख्या सिस्टमाक हालोवन उडयतात. आनी जेन्ना अख्ख्या सिस्टमाक हालोवन उडयतात तेन्ना मागीर सोशल मिडियाचेर ताजो बोवाळ जाता, हेर कडेन बोवाळ जाता, मंत्र्यांक राजकारण्यांक सुद्दां भंय दिसपाक लागता आनी मागीर सोशल मिडियाचे अकावंट्स ब्लॉक जावपाक लागता. अशा तरेचे हे कॉक्रोचीस. तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सांक कितें जालां हें खबर आसा, पूण तरी आसतना परत सांगता की जस्टीस सूर्यकांत हांणी एक स्टेटमेंट केलो. एक केस चालू आशिल्ली आनी ताणें अशें म्हळें की जे अनएम्प्लॉयड आमचे यूथ आसा, दे आर लायक कॉक्रोचीस, दे आर लायक पॅराझायट्स, आनी तांकां आनी कांय काम धंदो ना म्हणून ते अशे सामाजीक इश्यू सोशल मिडियाचेर घालत असतात म्हणून. तेजेर खूब बोवाळ जालो, तेजेर खूब राग व्यक्त जालो आनी मागीर तांणी तें स्टेटमेंट फाटल्यान घेतलें. तांणी म्हळें की ना आपल्याक अनएम्प्लॉयड युथा बद्दल म्हणपाचें नाशिल्लें, आपल्याक फेक डिग्रीज घेवन जे लोक लॉयर्स जाता तांच्या बद्दल अशें म्हणपाचें आशिल्लें. पूण हो जो राग आसा, जो आयज आमकां सोशल मिडियाचेर दिसता, एकंदर मिडिया मदीं दिसता, हो राग फक्त जस्टीस सूर्यकांतान तो स्टेटमेंट केलो म्हणून आशिल्लो काय कितें? काय कितलोसो तेंप हो राग भितर आसा, ताका एक खंय तरी माध्यम मेळ्ळें काय कितें? आनी आयचे तरणाटे जस्ट बिकॉज तांकां कॉक्रोचीस म्हळें म्हणून रागार जाल्यात काय कितें? काय आनी कितें कारणां आसा? ह्या एकंदर विशयाचेर आयज आमी हांगा चर्चा करतात. आनी हे चर्चा करपाक आमच्या मदीं हांगा 3 तरणे पिरायेचे आनी तरणे रक्ताचे युवक आसा. कॉक्रोचीस आसा, इफ आय मे कॉल देम. बट ऑफकोर्स दॅट्स नॉट एन इन्सल्ट. आय थिंक वी शूड ऑल बी प्राऊड ऑफ इट नाव. आमच्या मदीं आसा अर्णव पळयकार, यंग स्टुडंट आनी जो एक्टिवली सोशल मिडियाचेर आपली मतां मांडटा सगळ्या तरेच्या विशयांचेर. वैभव कलंगुटकार, स्वता एक इव्हेंट प्लॅनर आनी जो खरें ते खरें म्हणपाक सोशल मिडिया आनी अदरवायज केन्नाच फाटीं सरना. आनी आमच्या मदीं आसा आरुई. शी इज अ PhD स्कॉलर इन गोवा युनिवर्सिटी एंड अ ट्रान्स एक्टिविस्ट. आनी हाच्या पयलीं आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सांनी तिची मतां आयकल्ली आसा. वैभव, तुज्या कडल्यान सुरू करता की हे जेन्ना स्टेटमेंट तुवें आयकलो जस्टीस सूर्यकांताचो, राग आयलो, तिडक आयली, वॉट वॉज युअर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन?
अशें म्हटलें वता की विथ ग्रेट पॉवर कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. अशें आमी आयकलां. ज्या खुर्चेर बसून ताणी म्हटलें पळय, ताजो राग येवच्या भशेन म्हाका तांचेर पिटी दिसली की तांच्यांनी आपल्या खुर्चेचो रॉंग वापर केलो. खूब फावटी अशें आमकां कोर्टान आयकपाक मेळटा की कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट, हांगा कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ भावना जाल्ल्यो. आनी ह्यो भावना एकट्याच्यो नाशिल्ल्यो, ह्यो भावना एका समाजाच्यो आशिल्ल्यो जो ऑलरेडी दुखावला. म्हाका सदांच अशें दिसता, हांव 1 मिनीट घेता तुजें, 4 तरेचे यूथ आसा कशें म्हाका दिसता. एक, जो एका पार्टीक किंवा एका आर्टीचे फूल सपोर्ट करता, तांच्यांनी केला म्हणजे सगळें सारकें. एक आसा ते करता म्हणूनच चूक. तिसरो आसा तो सामको कमी पर्सेंटेजीन आसा, जो कितें तरी म्हणटा, जे हो रायट जाल्यार रायट, हो रॉंग जाल्यार रॉंग. मे बी आमचे आसले 1%, पूण हेंचे आवाज इतले व्हडले आसा की हो आवाज केन्नाच पावना. आनी एक चवथो यूथ आसा, जो सगळ्यान व्हडलो आसा. तो म्हणटा म्हाज्याच लायफान इतले मेस आसा, तुमी जायते करा. आयज हो उगी रावल्लो जो यूथ आसा पळय, तो भायर सरला, तेणे आपलें फ्रस्ट्रेशन भायर काडला. ताजे खातीर हे ट्रॅक्शन मेळ्ळा. हे ट्रॅक्शन कोणे तरी म्हटला किंवा कोणे तरी सोशल मिडिया अकाउंट चालू केला म्हणून येवंक ना. हे तेज्या खातीर येयला की एक खंयची तरी एग्जामचो पेपर लीक जाता, आपूण इतले पयशे मोडटा पण घरांतल्यान भायर दवरून म्हजो पांय डायरेक्ट खड्ड्यान वता आनी रस्त्यार वचना. बारीक बारीक गजाली आसात, व्हडल्यो गजाली ना, पण प्रत्येक बारीक गजाल इतली वर्सां जाली सॉल्वच जायना. ताज्या खातीरचें फ्रस्ट्रेशन भायर येयला अशें म्हाजें प्रांजळ मत. म्हाकाय तेच दिसलें की तुम्ही जेन्ना वयर बसता आनी म्हणटा कोण तरी फेक डिग्री घेवन आयला म्हणून तूं चुकला न्हय. तुजी चूक अनएम्प्लॉयड मनशाचेर मारूं नाका, कारण तो अनएम्प्लॉयड स्वता खातीर ना, तो शिकून सोडून तुमच्या खातीर अनएम्प्लॉयड उरला अशें म्हाका दिसता.
अर्णव, जशें हांवें म्हळें की हो राग इतलो तेंप आशिल्लो, हो राग नक्की कितें राग आसा? वाय आर द यूथ टुडे एंग्री? आयच्या तरणाट्यांचे कितें अशे इश्यूज आसात विच आर नॉट गेटिंग आन्सर्स? अशे कितें क्वेश्चन्स आसा जांकां जापो मेळना म्हणून आयज आमकां खंय तरी तिडक आतां इतली म्हणजे कलेक्टिवली भायर सरतना दिसता?
वेल, आमच्यांनी पळयलां की all across India there are so many different things that are happening, not only to the youth but to the population of India. Another thing is, it is a systematic failure that we're seeing. One thing I like to point out is, okay, India has the largest youth population in the world with about 65% of its population under the age of 35. So this is coming from Press Information Bureau. But you see, India being the youngest country, okay, with the youngest population, has absolutely no understanding, has no representation. Ata tuka I like to show a few things. Average age of Lok Sabha, okay, 56 years old.
Yeah.
Only 25 MPs out of 543 are 35 or younger. Average age of Rajya Sabha is 63 years old. 0 MPs below 35. 17 MPs out of 250 are 45 or younger. आता इतल्या व्हडल्या देशान, okay, with India being
And these are
such
the people who are doing policies for
exactly.
everyone.
Ata, how can you have it is the parliament is becoming like a old age home, okay? So like, how do you expect youth to just stay silent, to be okay with whatever policies are coming by these old people? So there needs to be an increase of representation of youth. That is what my say is.
Right. Aruvi, a simple question that I want to ask you. Does, like how we said that, you know, the average age itself is so large, we don't really know what is their understanding with regards to the issues that are faced by youth. Do you think the system is even listening to youth? Do you think, when I say system, government, our bureaucracy, our judiciary, is it even listening to what youths are trying to tell them? Or are they being just dismissed, saying that, you know, you're only on social media and you're only criticizing, you're going to do nothing? What do you feel?
I think there is more rhetorical value attached to this idea of youth, because everybody is kind of using youth as a very generalized term for very many purposes. Like, if I can be a little critical of my state also, Tamil Nadu, like you kind of had a change in the government and the main attraction was the youth voters. So it's become a generalized category, and everyone who is kind of talking about youth do not really like, we need to question back the same question. Do you understand what youth is, or how are you planning to listen to the youth, or are you just using the youth as an ideological value, either to say that you are a progressive person, that, you know, you are thinking ahead and you are going to be inclusive, because youth also becomes kind of synonymous with inclusivity and, you know, being open-minded, broad-minded, and all that, and that you are adapting to change. So these are narrative values. So it's very easy to we live in a government that kind of pushes propaganda like in larger volumes than we can digest. So this becomes a very critical question. Even youth should kind of, whenever somebody uses the word youth, you know, like, are you really representing me? Because we keep saying that youth are the future of our country, like Arnav pointed out. Then who are making the laws for the youth, whom you claim to be the future of this country? People who are no longer youth, who may have been youth in
years back.
some years back.
Right.
So times have changed, things have changed, needs have changed, and the whole idea of democracy is changing. So I think I completely agree with Arnav's point also, that, you know, representation is becoming a very important factor, that youth also, like whoever considers themselves to be youth, and when somebody says youth, and if you are kind of, okay, somebody's talking about me, then you need to question, is this person actually talking to me? If I talk back, will this person listen, or am I being just an instrument in whatever agenda this person has? That's my preliminary views on.
राईट. आरुवीचेच प्रश्न मुखार घेता वैभव, आणि तुवें सुरवातेकूच मांडिल्लें की तरेतरेचे यूथ आसा, आनी आमी जेन्ना यूथ म्हणटा सगळ्याच यूथ अवेर आसा अशें न्ही, किंवा सगळ्याच युथांक फ्युचराचे किंवा समाजाचे पडला अशेंय बी न्ही. तुका दिसता की हेचे तरणाटे अवेर आसा? गोंयचेच तरणाटो घेवया, की गोंयान जे इश्यूज आसा ताच्या बद्दल आज खरेंच तरणाट्यांक आसा काय कितें, एक, आनी दुसरें आसा जाल्यारूय तो उक्तेपणान उलोवपाक फुडें सरता काय कितें? कारण जशें तुवें म्हळें की प्रत्येकाचे आयज आपले अजेंडा आसा, आनी गोवा इज व्हेरी स्मॉल. सो ज्यो पार्टीज आसा त्या पार्टीजांकूय बी आपले कार्यकर्ते म्हणून घेवन हेच तरणाटे जाय. सो खंय ना खंय ते तशे अफिलिएटेड आसा, पूण ह्या सगळ्या कुशीक दवरून ह्या मुद्द्याचेर उलोवंक आयचो तरणाटो फुडें सरता काय कितें?
हांव मातशें वेगळ्या तरेन उत्तर दिता. तुवें म्हटलें की युथांक आयकता काय कितें? हांव म्हणटा डेफिनेटली आयकता, क्रिटिकली आयकता. तांचे जो आरती गाता ताका ते आपल्या कडेन घेता. जे गायना ती कशी चेपपाची ते तांकां खबर आसता. ते आयकना अशें न्हय, ते प्रत्येक गजाल सारकी क्रिटिकली आयकता. कोणाक चेपपाचें आनी कोणाक वयर काडपाचो ते जाणा. आतां हातूंत तुजो सेकंड प्रश्न की इज यूथ अवेर? हय, अवेर. कारण प्रत्येक प्रश्न हो शेवटी सिस्टमी कडेन रिलेटेड आसा. तो कितें आसूं, तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट आसूं, ते एज्युकेशन आसूं, जायत्यो गजाली गोंयान आमी पळयता, मदींच केन्ना तरी येता भाशा सुरू जाता, मदींच आनीक कितें सुरू जाता, आनी कोण पिशेना. शिक्षण इज नॉट म्हणजे खंयची डिग्री मेळ्ळी तशें ना, प्रत्येकाक हांगासर अक्कल आसा, कोणाक खबर ना अशें न्हय. आतां उलयना जाल्यार ताकाय कारणां आसात. आयज इतलीं वर्सां खंयचें सरकार आसूं तें, हांव खंयचो एक पर्टिक्युलर पार्टीचें गव्हर्नमेंट, तांच्यांनी आमकां पॅरासायट्स एक्चुअली करून दवरल्यात. खंय जॉब आसात? शेवटाक म्हाका तुज्याच पांया कडेन वचपाक जाय, उलयलो जाल्यार जॉब मेळचो ना. अशे गोश्टी आसात. उलयली जाल्यार स्किमी बंद जातल्यो, उलयले जाल्यार ते बंद जातले. जर तूं उलोवंक सोदता जाल्यार आवय सांगता बाबा उलोवं नाका रे, आनीक कोण तरी सांगता उलोवं नाका रे. सो ते आयकतात आनी तांकां खबर आसा वैभव उलयतलो जाल्यार वैभवाक चेपा. सो हे चल्ल्या कारणान अवेअर आसा यूथ. म्हाका अशें दिसना की गोंयचो यूथ अवेअर ना. तांकां सगळ्यो गोश्टी खबर आसा. जशें ते म्हणटा तशें आमच्या कडेन चॉयसीसूच ना. आसा ते वायट आनी सामकी वायट. आतां कोणा कडेन वचो? सामक्या वायटा कडेन वचचें, वायटा कडेन गेल्लो बरो. ह्या तरेचें समाजकारण सध्या चल्लां.
I'd like to add one
Yeah,
more thing. आता म्हणला पळय, इवन लायक देर आर एक्सटर्नल फोर्सीस ऑल्सो. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे थंय वचपाक जाय पांय पडोवंक. नॉट ओनली दॅट बट ऑल्सो फियर आसा. बिकॉज सी आतां आमचे पयला रामा काणकोळकर, आमचे काशिनाथ शेट्ये पयला, तेजे पयलीं आमच्यांनी एडवोकेट भुवनेश्वर पयला. आतां इफ सच बिग एक्टिविस्ट, नोन रिनाउंड एक्टिविस्ट कॅन बी अटॅक्ड इन ब्रॉड डे लायट, what about me? What about people like us who don't have a name at all? So that fear, not only for me, but there's also fear. Parents also have fear. माझेच पेरंट म्हणटा तू करता बरें पूण पर्सनल वचो नाका. तू भायर वयता, हे करता, सगळें करता. यू नेवर नो वॉट विल हॅपन. एक कार तुका मारून वयतलो काय, केस क्लोज म्हणून, ओपन अँड शट केस, जस्ट सिंपल कार एक्सिडेंट. सो दॅट फियर इज ऑल्सो देयर.
पूण ह्याच फियराक डील करपा खातीर आतां तरणाट्यांक अशें दिसता काय कितें की वी शूड बी पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम. ऑल थ्रू द वायर म्हणजे आमी म्हणटाले की सोशल मिडियाचेर तरणाटे उलयतात. हांगाय बी आमी पयलें की नांव कॉक्रोच जनता पार्टी म्हणून जल्माक आयल्या आनी इट हॅज म्हणजे ऑर्गॅनिकली ताका इतले मिलियन्स ऑफ फॉलोवर्स मेळ्ळा. बट द क्वेश्चन द लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर आस्किंग की इज दीस जस्ट अ सोशल मिडिया मुवमेंट? काय जशें आमी नेपाळाक पयलें, श्रीलंकेक पयलें, बांगलादेशाक पयलें, तशें हे तरणाटे एक्चुअली आयज एक फोर्स जावन कितें तरी एक हे दिवपाक शकता, पॅरलल सिस्टम दिवपाक शकता काय कितें? डू यू थिंक यूथ हॅव रीच दॅट स्टेज की नाव इनफ ऑफ ऑल दीस, नाव वी विल ओनली गेट इन टू द सिस्टम?
As I've said before, the anger is there. Anger has been brewing for a long time. But then there's no one to lead. Okay, like Atapai, we saw Anna Hazare Andolan. Okay, so there was somebody to lead the youth. Okay, that whole massive protest that happened. Same way, Ata ye sagle manta, and so much systematic failure is happening. Is there anyone to lead without getting politics involved in this? That is the question. If there is someone, I think the youth can come out. Ata amje poila 39 protest poila, there was someone to lead. Okay, and everyone came together, not only political leaders, each and every citizen of Goa, 1,000+ citizens came just to march. So like if someone is there to lead, definitely youth can come out.
And we have always heard that never take youth for granted. That their views matter and all this we have heard. Do you think youth have reached a stage where they have actually become influential? Like we always say now, Goa elections are approaching and we say that there are a lot of young voters that are going to vote for the first time probably. And it's a huge number. I mean, if percentage wise, it's a huge number. But have they reached a position where they can influence an entire family? Like earlier, the parents used to tell the child, you have to vote for this person. Or we knew that this entire family is of this political party. But now we do see youth, going away from that and voicing out their own opinions. Do you think the youth are influential enough to, make a change themselves as a force?
Oh, okay, like again, I'll have to just give very two small instances, if I may, from Tamil Nadu elections only.
Yeah.
It was widely known or criticized even that the attraction that I was referring to earlier, because the current CM is a very charming, heroic figure. And what has happened was that many young children and youth were kind of actually forcing their family to kind of vote. Like soft kind of blackmailing was also there, that I'll not do this if you don't vote, which is documented. I'm not making these things up. So influence can happen in many ways. So this shows that particular person has gotten into the, whether the children or youth have understood what this person stands, that is a different question. But there is definitely some particular kind of influence. And in other instances, when I actually went to vote, so there was this father and son who were going before me, and apparently it was the son's first time vote, right? And you know that in election booths the police are stationed, and when we reached the room, this father was showing the MLA's photo and saying like vote for this person or something like that, and the police kind of shut him up saying like you can't say these things here, go out and say all these things. And
Yeah.
then the father was trying to justify first time, like no.
Exactly.
Yeah. So the question of whether there is going to be influence is something that we need to consider really, because I have been in Goa only for the past
Yeah.
5 years. So and in these 5 years, at least in the past 2-3 years, I have actively noticed there has been a lot of visibility around young people's and people's movements in particular. Whether it is against 39A, or I think 5-6 years back the Amchi Mole campaign
Yeah.
started, which is a collective of youth,
Right.
right? And then whether it's environmental projects like the Diwar Island project, there have been actively letter writing workshops happening against 39A and all that. And we know there have been other influencers like who have been talking actively against 39A. And if we can notice, we also see that the youth are also listening to the 2-3 representative youth who are kind of, for example, if it's Shohel or Tahir or Dr. Daniel, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing is another question. But like Arnav said,
You're listening.
You need somebody who is not a political figure,
Right.
whom you can trust to not backstab you and eventually say that I'm now going to start a
Right.
political party.
Right.
All this campaign that I used was for
Yeah.
this political party.
Exactly.
Maybe this is also a subtle kind of warning to people, don't come to political
Yeah.
parties.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying that politics is bad.
Yeah.
And one contention that I generally have, even when there was a call for youth recently last year, it was a very legit point that Arnav raised. Where is the security? Because we see that when we protest against anything, ironically, we go to Azad Maidan to pay respect to the martyrs, we are being detained. And an imaginary section 144 is being imposed.
Right.
So, when there is no respect, no security for people who are already established in the field, how will the youth kind of come forward and take active participation? So I think this fear needs to be addressed. But another concern that I have is we cannot keep saying that this is non-political, because the moment you come and
Yeah.
participate in any civic activity,
Right. There's nothing called as non-political.
Non-political.
there is nothing called
Yeah.
apolitical.
Yeah.
And one concern I have is that I don't want that to become kind of a bad word, because
Yeah.
when we grew up, I know that politics used to be a dirty word. Like people in my batch, my set age group were kind of scared. Like whenever you ask, will you become political? Oh, who will go into politics? That is sewer or sewage. But now things are changing. There's a different way of looking at politics, and associating that with citizenship and civic participation. Like if Arnav is coming out and posting something about 39A, you are already doing politics. The threat is there.
Yeah.
and I think as a society, as a collective, as media, as also judiciary, which is not doing its job, the work is to make sure people come forward and show their voices, dissent, and not shut saying that these are cockroaches or parasites.
वैभव तोच मुद्दा घेता की इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ एज्युकेटेड ऑर अ यंग पर्सन टू एंटर पॉलिटिक्स टुडे. म्हणजे राजकारण आमचे अशा स्थितीचेर पावला काय कितें की म्हाका जर खरेंच दिसता, बिकॉज इट्स माय रायट न्ही, आय कॅन ऑलवेज गो अँड फायट एन इलेक्शन, नोबडी कॅन स्टॉप मी. बट जशें अरुविन म्हळें की एक जनरल परसेप्शन की इट हॅज बिकम अ डर्टी गेम, आणि आर देर अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो दॅट इज इम्पेडिंग youth in getting into politics?
I don't think so. Honestly, with Goan politics, if we say, recently we say somebody like Viresh came. Viresh was only MLA of the party in courts again.
Yeah.
So they were there. Then we saw somebody like Dr. Bhatikar, who is no more with us. But he rose from a family which has nothing to do with politics.
Right.
He earns well. He was a very good doctor. he didn't wanted to come into this, but he came with his will. He came for the people. So if you come, people do accept you, but it is how you come and what is your final motivation to do things for people. एकूच तुका सांगपाक आता मनोज बरोबर पार्टी सोडली, सगळो बोवाळ चालू आसा. हांव सगळ्यान व्हडलो क्रिटीक आशिल्लो आरजीचो, ऑन एअर म्हणटा सगळ्यान व्हडलो क्रिटीक. अशें दिसता ते फक्त भायले भायले करता, एक पॉयंट कर. बट तांच्यांनी त्या पार्टीन एक वॉयस दिलो जो पंचायतीन वतालो, बोवाळ घालतालो, इश्यू रेज करताले. लोकांक कितें तरी ताकद दिली इश्यू रेज करपाची. तेच कशा तरेन करता तरा मे बी रॉंग आसत, बट ते इश्यू रेज करताले. म्हाका दिसता पर्सनली जर ते इश्यू रेज करीत रावले, खुर्चेचो मोह तेंच्यांनी एक 5 वर्सां मागीर केल्लो जाल्यार मे बी गोंयचे पॉलिटिक्स ते ठरयतले असले, लोक तेंकां आनीक जॉयन जातले असले, जेन्युइननेस दिसता असले. गोंयान खुबशे इश्यू येयले. फाटीं एक भाशा सुरक्षा मंचाचो विशय येयलो, असोच सोंपलो. कारण एका मनशान जो लीड करतालो ताका पॉलिटिकल उमेद जाली, इश्यू सोंपलो. पॉलिटिकल एस्पिरेशन्सा खातीर इश्यू सोंपता. पॉलिटिक्स आसात, जशें आरूय म्हणटा पॉलिटिक्स हे सगळ्याक आसात, बट तूं एक्टिवलीच करपाक जाय म्हणून गरज ना. तुवें तो इश्यू कितलो. आता जो कॉक्रोच जनता पार्टी म्हणून कितें तरी एक सटायरिकल गोष्ट सुरू जाली, ती सोपोवपा खातीर लोक आयल्यात. सोपोवपा खातीर. आयज जर हांव सकाळी फेसबूक
आणि
कोण आयला, द इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट इज यूथ आयला. यूथ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स आयल्यात, यूथ इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स आयल्यात. आणि ते कितें म्हणटात की जेणे सुरू केलो तो खंयच्या तरी पार्टीत इन्फ्लुएन्स करता, किंवा जे कोण ह्या मुवमेंटाक सपोर्ट करता दे आर एंटी नॅशनल. हे म्हणप खूप सोंपें, पण ते हे विसरतात की हे जे लाखांनी लोक क्वेश्चन रेज करतात, aren't they genuine questions? My question is, aren't they genuine questions? किती असो, unemployment isn't a genuine question. Just because you support a party, you cannot be blind. तो अशे ना अशे घडच ना अशे म्हणू शकना. घडटा जाल्यार घडटा. सो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आसा, पॉवर्टी आसा. सो जर आसाच इश्यू जाल्यार ते डील करपाक जाय.
बरोबर. आणि आय थिंक तरणाट्यांनी बी विजिलंट रावपाक जाय की एक्झॅक्टली खंय हे नॅरेटिव्ह वता म्हणटा ते. आणि वन थिंग जशें तुवें म्हळें की भंय आसतात तरणाट्यांक आनी ज्यो घडणुको घडटात त्यो. बट सेकंड व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू दॅट आर वी रेस्ड की इज देर ऑल्सो दॅट फियर ऑर खंय तरी एक मातशें हें आसा की आपूण ज्या लोकांक सद्या सपोर्ट करता किंवा आपूण ज्या सोशल मुवमेंटाक एज अ यूथ सपोर्ट करता, तो खंय तरी आपल्याक वापरून घेवन मागीर फाल्यां तो आपली मायलेज घेवन वतलो काय कितें. इज दॅट ते कन्फ्युजन एक तरणाट्या भितर आसता काय कितें. दॅट इज ऑल्सो रिजन वाय लॉट ऑफ यूथ प्रिफर टू सिट एट होम अँड पोस्ट थिंग्स रादर देन कमिंग ऑन ऑन रोड और इन meetings for that matter and getting identified, because the moment you come out you are already being identified ki you were there. So how he be khoi tari asa.
Yeah, that fear is there, no? Because as soon as you come out, you see you are seen with someone, say some political figure, you are directly associated with them, even though you don't want to, even though you are coming out for a genuine concern. So someone you're with him. So that's why that fear is also there, even if they don't want to show support to him, but he's there, he's present, so you're automatically put with him. So that fear is always there.
Right. But now that I was searching about all this cockroach party, I also got some very interesting posts where people are positively doing things. Like youngsters as small as 14 years, 15 years are taking advantage of even government schemes or private schemes and doing things for an entire community. So do you think the youth are today aware to do these positive things? One thing is to oppose what is happening is bad in the society, but there is also that that path that a lot of youth are taking where they are doing these positive things to bring a change in the society.
If you compare this generation with the previous generations, obviously we have better facilities, we have better resources, and the today's youth is much more aware about what's happening. Their social awareness is at a high level. And they know how to use their resources properly. So with the help of social media, digital, internet, they are doing fantastic job. It doesn't have to be with everyone. Everyone isn't capable of doing all this what they are doing. But that few handful of them who have the ability, they reach high above.
Vaibhav, final तुझ्याकडल्यान एक हे घेता की वी आर सीइंग ऑल दीस एंगर तो नॅशनल लेवलाचेर आसा. गोंयानूय बी म्हणजे हांव सदांच म्हणटा की हे वर्स सुरू जाल्ल्याक आमकां गांवागांवान प्रत्येक कडेन लोक खंय ना खंय रस्त्यार आयिल्ले दिसता. हो मुवमेंट, हो टेम्पो सस्टेन जावचो, उरचो म्हणून तरणाट्यांनी खंयच्या दिकेन पावलां मारपाक जाय अशें तुका दिसता?
म्हाका सदां दिसता एंगर शुडंट बी इनटू अ केओस. आणि दुसरे प्रोटेस्ट विथ हिडन अजेंडा असा जाल्यार थंय वचचें न्हय. म्हज्या सारको मनीस खूब वोकल आसा पूण केन्ना केन्ना वचना कित्याक म्हाका तो एक हिडन अजेंडा दिसता की फुडें वचून म्हाका कितें तरी म्हाज्या फायद्याक करपाक जाय म्हणून कोण तरी थंय प्रोटेस्ट करता. तें न घडटा आमचें एक चुकता अशें म्हाका दिसता की वी डू नॉट हॅव द फायनल सोल्युशन टू इट. बरं तूं अपोज करता एक आतां जागो जर जी झाडां ऑलरेडी मारल्या ताच्या खातीर जर आमी अपोज करता ओके फायन व्हेरी गुड. पूण जर हो प्रोजेक्ट ना जाल्यार त्या जाग्याचें कितें हें कोणाकूच खबर ना. ते बंद पडले गेले. सो इट्स एट टायम्स इट इज नो फॉर नो बट व्हाय नो हे कोणाक खबर नासता. लोक रस्त्यार येयल्या बोवाळ घालता. सो देर इज टू बी समबडी देर इज शूड बी अ गायडलायन की आमी खंय बंद करतले. आमी फक्त हे म्हणून खुश जातले की आमी तांकां धांवडयले तेंच्यांनी ना म्हटले परत 5 वर्सांनी येतले काय. सो तें न जाता आतां जस्ट लास्ट सेंटेन्स एक लोधा खातीर प्रॉब्लेम चालू आसा. जर फुडल्या इलेक्शन मेरेन हो सॉल्व जालो ना म्हाका अशें दिसता आनी जर टॉपल जाले गव्हर्नमेंट आतां जे वचून थंय बसना ते येवन थंय बसतले हे घडो शकता. सो देर हॅज टू बी सम एंड टू इट की आमी खंय बंद करतले. वॉट इज अवर विन हेच जर आमकां खबर ना आनी चडशे प्रोटेस्ट आमचे त्यात कितें सोंपता कित्याक आमकां वॉट इज अवर विन तेच खबर ना.
रायट. आणि म्हाका दिसता म्हणजे हांव सदांच म्हणटा की आतां हे वर्स आमच्या खातीर आमच्या मिडिया खातीर इज अ व्हेरी टफ इयर बिकॉज एवरी डे दीस प्रोटेस्ट आर गोइंग टू इन्क्रीज. दर दिसा हे प्रोटेस्ट दिसतले आनी मागीर खंय तरी हो प्रश्न पडटा की खरेंच हे प्रोटेस्ट आर बिकॉज ऑफ द टॉपीक त्या मुद्द्याक लागून आसा काय खंय तरी तातूंत कितें तरी कोण आपलो अजेंडा सोदता. वेदर अजेंडा सोदता काय ना म्हाका दिसता गोंय वाटावप हे आमच्याच हातान आसा. थंय तरणाट्यांची फौज आमकां दिश्टी पडपाक जाय हातून कसलोच दुबाव ना ते आमकां दिसतले. आनी हो एकंदर जो राग आमकां आज नॅशनल लेवलाचेर दिसता तो गोंयांतूय बी तसो आसाच पूण त्या रागाक एक योग्य वाट मेळटली अशें आसता ह्या वेळार हांव उक्तायन तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात द वॉयस फॉर गोंय.